Hello everyone, welcome to another GitHub video tutorial. Now in this video tutorial, I will show you how to upload files, folders and projects on GitHub. Now, before we get started, subscribe to our channel for more videos just like this and let's get started. So when it comes to uploading files, folders and projects on GitHub, you want to know one thing, and that is that files, folders and projects are called a repository. A repository is collection of files and of a project. You can think of a repository as one project. So what you want to do is you want to create a repository. So let's say you want to we want to upload a project, entire project. You can go here and you can go to the plus sign. Obviously you need to be logged in into your GitHub, and you can go and click new repository. Or if you already have a repository, as we said previously, a repository is a bunch of files or a project file. You can go and import repository right here, or import a project file right here. Now, obviously, if you are creating repository from the start, you will need to add a name and you will need to add a description. Now, once you create a repository, let's say you are creating new repository, importing repository, it's pretty self-explanatory, but if you're creating new repository, you will need to go here and you will need to add files to that repository. So once you create a new repository, you can go and click add file and you can upload files or create new file as well. So there are two different ways, again, how you can go about it. You can select new repository and then create new files or upload files, or you can just import files directly into the GitHub repository. So that's pretty much how you can upload files, folders and projects on GitHub. If you want to see more videos just like this, quick and easy tutorials, you can check out our channel. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. We will see you in the next video.